Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Slack how to log out. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log out of Slack, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Slack app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Now once you are here, if you have multiple accounts logged in, simply select the account that you want to log out or sign out. Now once done, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner once again, and there you'll find the three dotted icon right next to it. Simply tap on that. Now among the options, you'll find an option that says sign out. Simply tap on sign out, and then Slack will ask you to confirm if you are signing out. If you want to sign out, simply tap on confirm, and then you'll successfully be able to sign out of the Slack app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.